Yes, I. Greetings in the mighty name of His Imperial Majesty Emperor Haile Selassie I the First. See? Mr. Winston, I man never did I say Siaga try kill Dodos. See? Whether I think that or not, no, I never did I say that. I did I say how Siaga almost got Dodos killed. Given the facts so well, and he put out $2 million reward on Dodos' head. Asked Dodos to turn in himself to the police, which he did. That got Dodos in a prison. Seeing $2 million on him head could have get anybody call in, say him dead so, and any happy trigger, happy police go there and just kill him cause him that he wanted and reward upon him. You know, see, he could have died that way. And again, the reason why I said that is because when this particular day that the video is about him alone from garden, giving the man who is characteristics and everything, him alone from garden or from GP in the truck, and me and him alone in the truck, and like what me say, about 15 to 20 Rima fatherless youth come in at the cell from remand center where them bring in truck come answer to charge that same day too. So may I say that as well, if I was Dodos alone there, if me there, I never, may I say them could have did, anything could have happened. You get what I say? Alright. VTG. In regards to Warwickshire, Rockford, Jesse City, Tony Brown, Jarrett Fresh them Brown them and things like that. Most of the argument them is basically to draw contrast between then and now and try to create questions in the youth them mind. Why are we here? Why are we doing the things we are doing to each other? Try to find a reason. Try to see the purpose. Who it a benefit and where it a go. See, while showing who we are, where the whole of we are come from, and what we mean to each other, and things like that. See, the video where the information in that video, it was already done, and I've thumbnail to a video already for publish. See, but I have to redo it because again, it's basically answering to the subject where you mentioned, but I don't really want to do it like so well, and I just take your advice and go and do my own thing. See, so enough respect for your input. Seeing and me know you see where me I go, and me like me say I respect your input and you may appreciate it. See, because these are things that give us ideas for go where we are go. See, for make the impression that we are trying to make. Get the youth them to start think critically. See, each one teach one from every corner, a Kingston or a Jamaica, wherever. See, again, enough respect and keep it coming. Seeing, I'm not taking no offense to it, as long as we keep it civil and clean. And I look forward to the comment them to a degree. It's not like me I look for validation, but me I look for the discussion. Me I look for people who disagree with me, who might disagree with me so that we can explain myself, and people who agree with me so that we can expound on further ideas and move on, moving forward. See, Troy G. Brown, I always respect and look forward to your opinions. See, I'm not telling you no lie, you. More than now, I don't know if you look forward to watching the video, them like, oh, we look forward to your comment. See what I say? Yeah, Jamaica officers, I think them is a set of police group or a police person. I respect your views and your opinions them. See, Omar Williams, you don't know my brother straight. I love your support. You're always there. Yeah. No, yeah. You see it, right side of me. See it? See him there? I just don't want to come on the video. See it? Yeah. Now, PALLAH, I'm a charging, I don't want to feel like, say, me talk with no hate for Jarrett Lane. I'm a place, I grew Jarrett Lane. I grew from Jarrett Lane. Me used to Talis them was my elder. Talis, Pam, Red Bobby them. See him jumpy there. All of them, me used to there underneath them youth there, watch them so as little youth dead amongst them, come from Whisper me, come from Justice to Warwickshire and all that. Them used to have a house on a Sanders Lane. When them go rob and come back the whole away. hang out there so run all our one boat. Me know some of the old man them all remember this. Yeah, man, all us on a Sanders Lane, all the way us hang out on the time of Taylor Jr. I do little tailoring down a bottom there, so me a little youth for them still, you know. Younger youth for them. Nah, and the way them I do, can't do what them I do, them won't allow it anyway. Nah, they need to. You see it, but just for familiarity and things like that, you don't know them rate me as a little youth, me hang out with them all day. That's how them place them start, look at me one draw for spliff, them man them start see certain little thing, monks start get access to certain little thing first. You understand? Me used to hang out with the bigger man them on the Jarrett Lane. You see, everything did good and nice. It was a one. Me never used to see no difference when a man I say them boy they from around this way, them man they from around this way. It wasn't like that. You don't see it. Me go to school a scheme. Me go to Shanty Town. Me live at Jesse City. I'm part of Jarrett Lane. In my young days, in my young stage, I come up as a little youth. You see it? It wasn't until the time when Nami Dread started smoke the crack and used to go around and go mess with them. Then them start develop a certain level now and start obviously want to defend themselves. I not have them up for that as a big man now, but again, growing up as a youth, it's like them defend themselves against the place from where me come from. So obviously, you don't know the implications behind all of that. We're not going on a long thing. Shorty, the amount of school where Shorty encouraged me for skull. Me Shorty school gone to Kirk and smoke ganja as youth and them thing there, you know. And I come back home, you know. Shorty, I'm a party, you know, from youth, you know. Yeah, a little incident go on with Shorty where unfortunate when we are youth again, but that unexplainable, because even yes, we can't explain it without even incriminate certain things, but me know my brother look past them things and we go past them things because it wasn't even, it could have been a lot more serious. And Jano said it did not forget so. Seeing too much love did not a group that night the fate really work out like that in our history and Jah make it work the right way. You know, see, it's no whole part damage no go on and the general is still there and alive and a mad love. Same way. You know, see, and even after them thing they again we develop a level of relationship with me I tell you say, me could have what if the man them need a strength, we go on around there. Yeah, if we even have friends span one another for them little folly. As them and a man over anyway. So for instance, them a Mountain View man them fall out and think that we that have them back straight, stay so. You know, see, them can't tell you no day wherever abandon them and make it look like so well and on the on our own or go on like so well and whatever. No. You know, see it. We go fight and argue like family. But when it comes to see where we go a road, a one where kind of whole will come from same way. You know, see it. So when I see man all bring man from places that come earth, we never do that yet. I them think that wasn't in our thought. You know, see it. And if you follow the history all the way going and going, you have a big man around there right now. John no star. Mr. The man can shoot. Jumpy can shoot no bomb, but John no star. And the man never yet try hurt. The man have ample opportunity could have hurt, but me I feel I can know I grew up, them you don't know so whatever. But now when I grow up, I say, you know what I say? John no. I remember one morning where I have to know, I have to look back and say, John, you know what I say? Never want to kill me. You know see it? Because the whole of we are youth team and I'm good to look upon it and I say, watch them now. I know the whole of them are good, the whole of them. The man have the whole of our back. You know see it, and I in the sky, because the sky now when the world look around, I see Mr. Space go down a lane. Gone back down a back lane down a bottom. You know see it? As a big man now, I can't look back on them things and I say, John no. So the only thing me can look back in our history and say, well, then where we have why all of this is that. The man, they must still have way for the kill with Jarrett Flash kill Blown. Because up to this point, brother, we not hurt one another. We not do back nothing. We not have nothing. So crucial and so cruel. Till we there, so the man them start kill off them same little brother and one another way. And the whole that we used to. If a man around there so have a problem, he can always run that direction and nobody no business. You know, see it? So, I can't understand. Because even when the power was reversed, the abuse, never used to push the abuse upon the man. You know, see? I remember when cement company, when we as youth start got cement company, you know, go try get a name out there. And mostly Jarrett Lane man and ill man them out there, you know. Piggy them, most of them big man there. it out there, I do them thing. And when we go out there as you, the most of the man we are say, yo, careful, no one of the car, our step, them just so radical, the things them we are do. Them never used to do them thing there. See? But still the man them never fight against when they're in farm and we are not treated like inferior and not like them. Man, them usually admire and support to like, for instance, if a man go to them and you owe to them youth there and rear them and say, yo, Lord, the youth them. Type of thing. You know, see it? And I like say them used to oppress you until we get with there and get a name and get a foot in there. See, now while we have a foot in there, still them man they have impunity. Nobody ever yet stop or try look on them man they like say, well then, yo, you know if you get no work out. No, anytime Jarrett Lane man no want to work out there, them no come out they come look no work to them no like Jarrett Lane, majority man no really like go out there go look no work neither. You know see? But you have certain man, remember one time in a little incident out a cement company, big tangling star and get myself in a big wind up when I look at big feds drive on from the block I look for me. You know see it? When I look, every man from around me, all of my little friend them, cut gone. And one big man, I say, well, come down and say, yo, come. And carry me and my thing going in one place, go hide me, way up so. Me there way up so I look on everything I go on, like a dung me I look on everybody so. Piggy, I Jarrett and Piggy come from and say, me I got dead, because all of my friends them cut guy left me and me alone in the big plant now. Confused, I know what to do, I gone away. And the dog come and say, can't call the man that. The lion come and say, yo, come, yo. And carry me go, you see it? Yeah man, I tell pam them. Like me I say, around a Sanders Lane, the thing is there. When the man them go grab our two chain and a Mount View and them thing them come back from the car and Patter boy and them, you see it? I was 100. And I saw it for God. You see it? I saw the thing from revert back to because like me I say, when I never used to come try push the oppression upon the youth them around there when the youth them think Jarrett Lane independent. It's an independent place and under them own a thing and for them own a law own everything right? Even though at the same law them but at them have to enforce them. I never like say I go around there go dictate to them and tell them no the man them around there do them own a thing and watch out. And when them wrong, we have to support them. Alright, that's where them come from, and that's how we there. And the whole of it is. You don't see it. So my argument them in regards to the whole incident, I try find some bullet points in a history whereby like where we go wrong. You don't see it. And for the youth them look back in at themselves and start use some critical thinking to further enhance and develop the place and the relationship. Because and that's how it go. And whoever teach them wrong. You know, see it? And there is nothing else when nobody could have teach them but take them way back to blown. Because enough of them have sense and enough of them father experience the whole thing coming up and enough of them father can't tell them anything otherwise than what me I say. You know, see it? PALLAH bad up anyone I will see him where run away and go on with himself and I don't like say inferior or whatever. We know our colleague, I wanna we argue, we fight. You know, see it? Yeah, man, check the other thing, man. Go back in the thing, man. Go look, man. Go do no history, man. Go ask some big man. You know, see it? And that's how we live, man. Nah, man. Else would I did dead off. That man, you know. We don't come under some of the pressure where we come under as youth. Because some people around with the proper arms up more than we. And have the advantage too. You know, see it, and if we never have a certain level of humanity and understanding amongst the 200 man with all we did off, man. You know, see it. You know, see it, and the man them lick down PALLAH and make it look like say people want to make it look like I have nothing to do that. You're mad. Any man from out of my thing will have nothing to do with that. I have to keep that secret till the day I'm dead. You hear me tell you, say? Me not believe no man have no car. You have to know where the man they are track. You have to know him tracks for really track him. And you have to know him good and close to him for track him. PALLAH me at all. You know see? So really and truly it's hard for me to think say a man from my place responsible for that. Mad, nah man. And if it happen again, I say it again. Any bumbo, anyone I know someone responsible, you just know someone go and bury with that secret there. And I can't talk about it. Can't brag and boast about it. You know see, me I tell true me. Me I tell you that. Yeah, no disrespect. You know see it. Say, don't know general and mad love for the youth, them same way, man. You never hear me, I condemn them and I call them no idiot name or nothing like that, or disrespect them. You know, see it? Yeah, me always condemn the influence to try to influence them in a negative way. You know, see it? Because of my future, them, you know. You know, see it? How we have? A Jamaica alone we have, you know. I use Kingston, Rockford, Warwickshire alone we have. You know, see it? And at them, I hold it and I maintain it. And them supposed to keep it civil or keep it as a source for we. You know, see it? And if the principle and the level of morality not exists, how do you think we are going to feel in regards to the place where we're supposed to contribute back to effortlessly? Think we are feel? You feel like, say, if your effort is in vain and not someone want to live, and would I love the big man them down there will have influence and have a voice. The reason with the youth them and stop isolate themselves from the youth them and go on like them a coward. You know, see it? For reason with the youth them what? The truth is just the truth, you know. And at one time when you can't dead. And if you better on a dead pound of feet rasta than dead pound of knee. I live like picnic. Youth them not rate that. You know, see it? So what me I do without fear or favor, and for the benefit of the youth them. Because I always turn my back on the business in England. I live in England, most of my people them live. You know, see it? But on the side go, most of my people them grew in England as them I tell you say them are Jamaican. Them not tell you say them are English. You want them ball? You want them tell us me can't tell them that neither. And them things I mean I love them strongly believe that them are Jamaican. You know, see it? Some care waiting. Anyway, I hope you catch my drift still, my family. Emotion me attack with, you know. Passion. It's not anger or ignorance or nothing like that. Passion. Because like I say, regardless of what man want to think about me, it's the most of my life and my characteristics throughout the whole time. I always have to enhance and enable little youth them to grow up and develop and be better amongst themselves. Always. No, you can't ever say me I encourage him to go broke no shop or thief or rob nobody or nothing like that. You know, see, no matter why him now have watch out. Yo, as a matter of fact, I have to go in it. More life and more love, man. Share, like, and subscribe, man. You know, see, mad love, Rastafari.